right, Coach Rodney, Coach Mike, third game of the year. Third game? Third game. Third game of the season. Not quite what you were looking for, but I'm sure you got some good notes.
Yeah, we have a lot of work to do. A lot of work on defense, offense, special teams. All three phases of the game, we need some work. Because they ran one back on us tonight. And me as a defensive-minded coach, that should never happen.
I agree. So I know, like you say, we got a lot of hard work. Who stepped up tonight? Even though you lost, I know there had to be a few little step-up players tonight.
Yeah, I would say Fred. He made a lot of good tackles.
Fred stepped up, man. What position he play? Defensive end. Love to hear those defensive ends step up. Guys, we're sure proud to be here. Glad to have you out here, and we'll see you again next week.